guys, it's the cool kid Nico. So we're back on a video, and today we're having a pack opening of 2 out of position packs. But I have 591 NBA cash, but I spend it just for this. So guys, I'll be doing a 300,000 coin spend, like shopping spree, 300,000, cause like I have a lot of coins, so I'll just spend 300K. So yeah, I'm at 600K left, and that's pretty good. So let's go to the packs. But that will be next video. So we got 2 opposition packs. Now can we pull a 104 Westbrook? If we do, I will literally jump out. Y'all know what I would do. Don't crash on me now. 3, 2, 1. Carousel. That's pretty good, cause like at least you got some more pack open. I mean some more coins. So I will cover up my screen. Y'all can see it. I'll see update team. We got no 2000. Man, okay, I'm gonna get mad about that, guys, cause like but like that was 2 wasted packs. I'm not gonna lie. So now let's. We can buy another. We can get another one of those packs actually.
It's not funny, bro. I'm gonna stop.
Open a couple, no, only 2 of them. No, I would save up so I can get Apple another opposition pack. So guys, so I'm gonna see what cards. I'm trying to get 95 through 99. So let's see how much they go for. I'm gonna put up like a little please go up at least 15K. No, 15K. At least 20K. 20K is good. So it should be 20K. That's 200K, I think. Oh yeah, there you go. 57K. I said 20K. This game glitching, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna start buying. That'll be for next video. So buying these. Okay, I don't really care. I really want this 95 to 95 pack, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We go with another opposition player pack. Yes, guys, yes. So 28K. So now 28K. But like, who cares, to be honest? It's just coins. But like, I can obviously make about 100K inside a day. So I ain't tripping. So another opportunity pack. So let's see what we get. Please give me some good. I'ma cover my face and my screen. Don't get those packs, guys. You're not gonna get anything. So don't even try to get those packs. Don't waste your money on those packs. So that'll be it for it today, guys. I'll be making another video about my 300K shopping spree. This is just half of it. I'm gonna spend to 700K. No, I'm spending to 650K. That's what I'm doing. I'm spending it like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and peace. Wait, hold on. Okay, peace.